Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic REST commander tutorial how to zoom fit. So as example, you can draw rectangle and create circle. Now if you want to zoom fit, you can use zoom extend. You can tap zoom, press enter, and then press A, enter again. So to be zoom to fit. Or another option, you can double click on the scroll mouse to be show the zoom fit. Okay, I will create again another object like a rectangle in this point. And if you want to zoom fit, you can double click on wheel mouse to zoom fit. Okay, that's it for basic REST commander tutorial how to zoom fit.